Welcome! While your environment is loading, let's go through an overview of the Instruqt interface you'll be seeing once it's ready. This is where you'll engage and complete challenges. The Instructions panel contains all of the tasks you need to complete each challenge. At the top of this panel, you'll see 3 icons and a progress bar. The first 2 icons control the visibility and position of the Instructions panel. The third icon expands a Notes panel with extra instructions or context to help you complete the challenge. Be sure to check out all the slides before you start. Use the Progress navigation bar to navigate between challenges. If you want to restart the environment, click the Restart button. Keep in mind, you'll lose all progress if you select this option. On the upper left, notice the Tabs panel. These tabs contain items you'll interact with to complete your tasks. For this example, the tabs include a terminal, a code editor, and an application. Navigate between them by clicking on their title. If you need to refresh a tab, click on the circle arrow to the upper right. Follow the steps provided in the Instructions panel. Some instructions have expandable sections. Click on the arrows to show or hide tasks as you complete them. Some tasks will require you to input some code. Use the copy code icon to easily copy and paste code snippets. When you've completed all steps, click the green button at the bottom to check your work. If something isn't correct, a warning message appears at the bottom of the screen. Fix the issue and use the check button as many times as needed until a green ribbon appears, indicating you've completed it properly. Don't be shy. Check your work as often as you need. Get to learning and have fun.